We just finished up dropping up the kids to school, 8:54 in the morning. So this is our daily life. We just traveling like this, busy.
Bro's got me filming at 9 a.m. in the morning. Imagine that. Because of him, yeah, I am tired every single day.
Yeah, but people, they think we're not doing nothing. We're just lazying around with this content, but we're showing them now. Guys, it's not how it seems.
So I've seen people comment on your videos that you don't season your food. So I'm gonna give you £15 to get condiments, and it must last you for a couple of months.
Couple months?
Yep.
Oh my god. We need to go to the Polish shop then. So typical weather, yeah? Look at that.
Great.
United Kingdom. Always raining. 2-3 days a year you have, what's the name? Nice weather, and after that, typical weather like this.
Get out of the car.
Okay.
Bro got me filming at 9 a.m. in the morning. 9 a.m.
You wanna go up?
I wanna go back to bed, man. What the
if you
fuck?
don't, no.
Bro. Men.
What do you mean about men?
Okay, guys. So, if you don't have a lot of money, if you're on a budget, yeah, the best way to buy condiments or like seasonings or whatever you want to call them is the Polish shop, because it's really cheap. So we're going to this Polish shop today. What is it? Euro supermarket. Here you have all the fruits and vegetables, fresh. See guys, it's 49p each, so it's much cheaper than normal supermarkets, and they're quite big packs as well.
They look like cumin, no?
Cumin? Yeah, I think so.
So we get cumin, we get some chicken seasoning.
You see, I've got like all this to choose from, so there's a lot down here as well. Paprika.
Granulated onion powder.
You're getting 2 of them.
Yeah. Which one is spicy and which one is this?
This one is smoked paprika.
Okay.
This one is normal, sweet one, the other one.
And one of this. Some pepper.
White pepper, the bay leaves.
This is grounded?
This is grounded.
This is black one, huh?
Yes, grounded.
Okay, we're gonna get one of these. 249, this one.
What is it? What is it?
Mint.
Mint. Are you gonna have enough? You got only £15.
I'm gonna have enough, don't worry. Some pork seasoning, some this, some grill seasoning.
That's it.
Okay, now I need something else. We're gonna go to the other aisle. Should I get one of this as well?
How much is it?
99p.
Yeah, get one.
No, this is expensive. We go the other aisle.
What are you looking for?
Tomato paste.
But is that gonna last you a couple of months though? It's gonna go bad, isn't it?
Expensive. We're gonna leave this one.
You got paprika, so I think you'll do with that. You see, we're on a budget here, okay?
Yeah.
You don't have the luxury.
No.
Gone.
So,
Was it canned tomatoes?
69p.
Each. Okay. On our way to pay, guys. Look, you've got all these salamis here and meats. Polish shops are the best for this. Why is your face slapped like an ass?
Follow me for more hacks like this.
Oh my god. We got Gordon Ramsay in the house.
I swear I hate him. Gordon Ramsay has nothing on me.
Uh-huh.
Nothing.
So it actually came to $6.95, so much cheaper.
So the total was £6.95.
You
There's a
see,
change.
you can literally get it cheaper
There's a change.
than £15. All of this,
I
all
have
of
here
that.
for more than 2 months. Hacks.
So yeah, Polish shops, guys, Polish shops.
Think about it, yeah? Where's the cheapest place? Go, shop around.
Guys, let us know, yeah, what else should we do? Like, give us more challenges, like for
I'm down
money
for
saving
anything.
hacks, and we will go and see where you can get like the cheapest stuff.
Trust me.
Okay, guys, see you next time.